This is Unit 2, Lesson 2. We're going to be going over Activity Book, page 2.3 to see how we're going to do this. So the directions say circle the nouns. So what I'm going to do in my directions is I'm going to circle the nouns so that I remember that. Draw a wiggly line under the verbs. So I'm going to draw my wiggly line under my verb and draw a box around the adjectives. So a box goes around the adjectives. Then we draw an arrow from the adjective to the noun it describes. So in the old brown bear protects the small cubs, the two nouns are bear and cubs. They circled those. The, old, and brown all describe what kind of bear it is and which one. The small are adjectives, so we put a box around those and they describe cubs. Protects is the verb. We're going to do questions 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 together, and you're going to do the odd numbers on your own and submit them for me. So let's look at number 2. Sam rushed to the nearest window. The nouns in that sentence are Sam, it's a proper noun, window, that's a thing. My verb is rushed. And usually for us right now, boys and girls, we're going to have one action verb, one verb in our sentence. We can have more, but typically right now we'll have one. And the describes which window, and nearest also describes window, showing us how close it is. Number 4, Frank skates down the steep hill. So nouns, people, places, and things. So Frank is a person. Hill is a thing. Skates is my verb. That's an action. The describes which hill, and steep tells us the kind of hill. Down is not a noun, verb, or adjective, and we're not going to worry about it right now. Number 6, speedy jets arrive at the busy airport. Let's pick out all the nouns, all the people, places, or things. You might want to say speedy because our first two sentences, the first word was a noun. But in this case, speedy, that is not something that I can hold in my hand. That's not a thing. Jets are a thing. And airport is a place. Speedy describes the kind of jets they are. Arrive is my verb. It's the action. What are the jets doing? They arrive. The, again, remember the, a, and an are articles. They're special adjectives, and they describe nouns. And busy, what kind of airport is it? A busy one. You can always ask yourself a question. What kind, which one, to see if it is an adjective. Number 8. He swallowed the hot and sweet donuts. So he is a noun. It's a pronoun. It's a person. Swallowed is a verb. Donuts is our other noun. And I wonder which donuts and what kind. Well, the, hot, sweet, and all of those words describe, making a fancy hour like they did, describe donuts. Number 10, Sam, Sally, and Sue attend Johnson Elementary School. Well, Sam is a name of a person. Sally is the name of a person. Sue is the name of a person. What do? They attend, which is my verb. And Johnson Elementary School is the complete name of the school. Boys and girls, you're going to go back and do numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 on your own. Do your very best.